thunderstorm warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, eastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, central Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Erin to near Hurricane Mills, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Waverly, Erin, White Bluff, McEwen, Burns, Hurricane Mills, Charlotte, Van Leer, Sladen, and Cunningham. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.